Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I wanted to do a video about what I can get in Primark for less than £20. You guys know cost of living crisis. Everything is super duper expensive. I went on a out and out bargain hunt in Primark to spend less than £20 and I think I nailed it. So we're going to get right into this video. First thing I got myself was a coffee from the Disney cafe. So it's a Primark cafe with Disney. This is super duper cute. It is a real small coffee. It's £3.50 for a vanilla latte, but oh my gosh, it is beautiful. Really, really delicious coffee. So that's the first thing that I got. I'm going to pull this bag off and we'll start pulling out stuff. So the next thing that I got were a pair of Mickey Mouse bottoms, reduced from £9 to £5. They are in this lovely green colour. They have pockets, are a little fleecy on the inside, but that's okay because they were a bargain. And let me just get this off here so you guys can see. They've got Mickey Mouse on the leg. These are full length trousers with an elasticated waist. You can tie it because I like a little bit baggy. And they're the bottom, if I can hold them over so you guys can see, cuffed bottoms. Really comfy, super duper nice. First bargain of the day. The next thing I bought are some new face wipes. These are plant derived fibers, so they are natural, they biodegrade, which is awesome. So I got myself 2 packs. They're $1.30 for a twin pack. These are PS Prep and Perfect hydrating cleansing wipes. So I've got 100 wipes for £2.60, I believe. Then I picked up some little bargains, things that were on sale. Let me show you 2 things that I picked up that weren't on sale. We love these dental floss harps. You get 32 in a pack for 80p, which I think is pretty decent. I bought 2 packs, one for me, one for him. And then I got myself this adorable little headband. Was reduced from £2.50 down to £1. And I have got into the habit of, I used to take a lot of my, I'm just going to pull this off. I used to take a lot of my makeup off with makeup wipes and then micellar water. I've got really into cleaning my face with some cleansing soap and I love it. But I do it over the sink and I always like to have a hairband to put my hair back. You don't need to use this as a band to keep your hair out of the way. You could use this as a nice fashionable going out one, but I'm loving it and I needed a new one because my last one broke. I then purchased a little set of gel eye pads. I really like these when they're put into the fridge. And they're nice, really super nice and cool. And I love the shape of these because you can put it on the top of your eye as well as the bottom. It goes into the corner over your lid and under the eye as well. So these are great. And they're down from £3 to £1, which I thought again was a great little bargain. I also purchased some more travel bottles. I seem to buy these all the time because I forget them, I leave them. I just don't ever bring them home with me. I don't know why, but these little travel set are great. They cost £1, and inside you get 1, 2, 3, 4 bottles, and these are pretty large bottles, which I love. And then a little tub. My husband likes using this tub for his vitamins when we go on a really short break. But I love these. I love the fact there's a funnel, and they come in this little zippy pack. You can get these also in black. I prefer the white, but I'm really glad that I have those because we have a trip coming up soon just to Portrush. If you guys have never been to Portrush, beaches are stunning. You should definitely, if you're ever in the north of Ireland, definitely take a trip to Portrush. It is gorgeous and I love staying in a B&B because they're super friendly. I'm so really excited about that. The next thing that I purchased is this face mask kit. This face mask kit was £3. Was it more than £3 before? No, it was £3. This face mask kit was down to £1, but I think they put these down to £1 because there are parts missing. I do believe you're supposed to get the bowl, a larger face mask applicator and a small one. These ones only had, I'm just going to rip this right open. These little ones Yeah, there's nothing else inside the packaging, but that's okay. These ones just come with a silicone bowl, and the smaller one, I don't mind that because I do still already have the large one, but my bowl broke because it was plastic and it hit the floor and it smashed, cracked, and I didn't have one. It has a measuring, you guys probably can't see that, but it does have a measuring a measurement on the side where you can measure, but I love the fact that it's silicone, it's rubber, and it also comes with a smaller one to go around your eyebrows and stuff like that. So for £1, I don't think that was too bad. I think I got a good deal there, even though there was a part missing. I'm still happy, and I bought myself two. These are the last little items I have, but I bought myself two beautiful little bath bombs. This little one is the PS Bubbles Bath Fizzer in strawberry, and it looks like a gold and pink avocado, which I thought was super cute. This little one was only £1. I really like that. And then this little one is a sparkly heart. I love the blended look. It looks a little ombre. We've got pink into blue into a little bit of peach, and this one again is strawberry. Didn't know this was strawberry scented when I purchased it, but absolutely adorable. This little one is 100 grams, both 100 grams, and they are just adorable. I love these bath bombs from Primark. I think they're phenomenal. Well, guys, that's everything I have in this video. I must say that the Disney Cafe coffee is absolutely delish. Totally recommend it if you guys have a Primark that have a Disney Cafe. Vanilla latte, £3.50 for the vanilla latte. It is quite small, but is definitely worth the price. It is really rich and delicious coffee. But I got everything here for under £20. You guys know, definitely, there's very little that you can buy for £20 these days. Everything is super expensive. And I got a ton at Primark. Definitely searching for all of the bargains. I mean, I think outside of the track bottoms, my coffee was the most expensive thing. I did pick up a lot of bargains. If you guys are interested in Primark items, definitely go when they have their summer, winter, autumn, spring, mid-season sales, because you do pick up amazing little items. Well, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. What have you bought for £20? Do you think this was a good haul for £20? I definitely think it was, but I'm really interested in your feedback. And if you guys like this video, please, as always, smash that like button. If you want to become a subscriber, I would really be grateful. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. And I'm going to say thank you so much for joining me, if you're all still here. I love buying things and sharing them with you guys. I definitely leave me a comment in the comment section. I'll reply or heart your comment just as soon as I can. In the interim, I really hope you guys stay safe. Please take care, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Bye.